Hello, welcome back to my lovely Peppa Pig readers. Today I am going to read one book from the counting books. Let's see what is today's book is. We read 1, 2, 3, go, fruit picking fun, how many, Peppa's football team, star spotting, and hop, hop, hopscotch. And we have only 2 left. So we will read today the surprise. Let's take the book out. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Let's read surprise. Peppa and George are getting ready for Mummy Pig's big birthday. First, they put 10 cake ingredients in a bowl. Then they give the mixture 9 stirrs, and Daddy Pig does the rest. Wow, gasped Mummy Pig. What a lot of post! She has 8 birthday cards and 7 parcels. Hooray! George has found the party things. There are 6 party hats. Time for a quick tidy up. Peppa, George, and Daddy Pig put 5 toys in the toy basket. Peppa helps Daddy Pig with the decorations. They blew up for balloons. Puff, puff. Daddy Pig puts 3 candles on the cake. No peeking, Mommy, says Peppa. Here comes 2 birthday visitors, Granny and Grandpa Pig. Peppa's holding something extra special. One big present. Surprise! Everyone cheers. Happy birthday, Mommy Pig. Wow, Mommy Pig gasps. Thank you all. The end. I hope you loved the story. We will see you again with another last counting book. Till then, love you all. Bye-bye.
Booktube Kids.